Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed parents, faculty, friends, and fellow graduates. Today, as I stand here, clad in this cap and gown, my heart...
Hello, welcome back to Crafting with Pretty Science. Today I'm going to show you how to create a talking avatar of your graduate students, okay? I'm going to show you all the steps in Canva and the apps in Canva and other apps here online, how to do this. So let's get started. So this is how I started. I went to Microsoft MSN.com and it has this thing called Copilot. It's just like ChatGPT. You can ask it to write you some text and all that. So I select Copilot, I open it, and then it said ask me anything and all that. I'll show you exactly what I asked Copilot. Yeah, I put in, let me go up really quick. I told it, excuse me, write a gratitude speech of a graduate to her parents and everyone who supported her during her school time. And then Copilot wrote this all to me, all for me, wrote it all. I went through it. It's very, very nice. Yeah, and it wrote it for me, and I copy it. So I selected it, and all that. When you select, you need to be careful. You will have to select it by pieces, okay? All that, okay. And I went to an app called 11 Labs. And you need to open an account here. In 11 Labs, you can come here to speech. Yeah, you open an account here, and then you have where it says speech synthesis. It's where you will fix your things. You come in here. Okay, here is where you will paste your text. Like I said, you go to you go to Copilot. You ask it to write this for you, and you come in here and you copy it. You see, I copy out up to here. Copy, and then I come in. Then I go to here where it says text, and I paste my text in here. Okay, paste my text in here, bit by bit. Do all, paste it all. Okay, and then after you are done, you come in here and you go to voices, and you go to voice library. Voice library. In voice library, there are paid voices, paid ones. You see? Let's listen to it.
スイスの観光地として人気の高いユングフラウ鉄道。
This is
ヨーロッパ
Japanese.
でとても高い場所にある。
Hey, I'm Aracita. I might be a little ditzy, but I'm a lot of
It's for
fun.
cartoons,
ne réside ni dans les possessions.
for fun.
Hey there, it's Christy Carlson Romano. You might recognize me from Disney's iconic animated series Kim Possible, or
Love is composed of a single soul inhabiting two bodies.
Okay, and then you look for voices that you like.
The biggest room in the world is room for improvement.
I chose this one.
As an organizer, I start from where the...
Like the student will use this voice. You see, already edit. So you edit into your voice lab. And here you can find voice lab is where you are. Okay? Where you are. This is all my voices that I used. And now I added Ellie to it. And I go back to my speech. Yeah, to my speech synthesis. I added my thing in here. Let me fix this really quick. I left out the title. This first part, ladies and gentlemen. Copy. Bring it in here. And paste it. And then after I paste it, it will show you this. You need to generate it. So you select it and it will generate the text for you into the voice of Ellie. Okay, and that's what we're going to use to create a
Ladies and
video with.
gentlemen, esteemed parents, faculty, friends, and fellow graduates.
I will be letting it generate. It's still generating. And after generate, I'm going to download it. Okay, it's done generating. So you see here is where you're going to download it. We're going to download it into our computer. It's downloaded. It's called 11 Labs, and the date and everything. You will find it into your in your computer. Now, the next thing we're going to do, we'll go to Canva. Okay? When you go to Canva, it depends on in which format you want to make it. If you want to make it into a reel, you can select here in Canva Instagram reel. But if you want to make it into a YouTube video, like with the background, you know, like the background of the YouTube, you need to write here YouTube live stream, and it will give you the design, like how the YouTube videos are, the template. Okay, and you can choose the free ones. Let's see, I think this is free. Let's choose it. It says customize this template, and when you open it in here in Canva, you can delete everything here. Just delete everything, even the background. Delete everything. Okay, you have it here. So focus on what we're going to do. Okay, we have this. I have images created. I have images created in Midjourney. Midjourney, for a low price of $10 a month, you can sign up to Midjourney and you can design images in here. I created these images right here. Let's see, this one, this one, this one. Let's say I'm going to choose her. Okay, I'm going to choose her for my project. I'm going to download her, and then I'm going to swap her face. I'm going to change her face into my face, and then we will let her talk. Okay, we will let her design her to talk. I'll go to Art Guru face swap, Art Guru AI. Yes, here I am in Art Guru. You need to write it right or you won't go get it. Artguru.ai. Just Art Guru and you will find it. And you get 5 credits every day. Okay. And here is where you upload your own picture. Okay. When you upload it here, it will come in here. Because this is selected, that's why this is here. If I select this, you see it will change. But we are not going to use any of these. We are going to use our own image. So I will select it and I will select the lady. I think it's this one. Yeah. Ooh, I think I got something. Oh yeah, this one. And she will come in here. And here she is. Okay. And now you're going to add your customer's face. In this case, I will add my own picture. I will select it from here and I'll search for it. This one here. Actually, you can have a smiling picture. This one should be smiling. This one should be smiling. Okay, now I have these two. It shows here. And then I'm going to generate it. Okay, here is it. Let's go in. Let's see the result. You see some of the lady's face and my face in it too. Because this lady here, she's not really smiling and my face is not smiling here. That's why you have it. Oh my goodness, I shouldn't have done that. Let's generate it again. And there goes my credits. Okay, here it is. I'm going to download it. Okay, I've downloaded it. Now we're going to Canva. We will go to Canva and I'll show you there how to make it talk. When you go to Canva, it depends on how you want your video to be. If you want it to be in YouTube format, like YouTube measurement, the template of YouTube, you should put in here YouTube live stream. You put in YouTube live stream. YouTube live stream is not a live stream, but it's a video template. You will get this, like it's made for YouTube. The size is made for YouTube. If you want to put it in a reel, like vertical, you can write down Instagram reel, and it will give you this like the reels template. Okay, let's say we want YouTube. Let me go see how it will be. YouTube live stream. Okay, you can select a free one and we will customize this template. And then we'll come here and we will delete all this, like delete everything from it. Okay. And then we'll go to the App Store. And here you have to write DID. DID percentage is right here. You get free credits to use it if you're using the first time. But if you don't, if your free credits are done, you will have to sign up and work with them. Okay. I'm going to go in. I have signed up with them, so I have paid credits. So in here, I'm going to make my video, but let me upload my image. You see my image has a background, so I brought it to remove the BG and I removed the background and I got this. So I'm going to upload this right here. Okay, you see the one with the clean background is right here. Okay, I have this. Okay, here she is. I have her here, so I will upload my audio. The audio where she reads the graduation appreciation text. And I will select this image right here. And I'll go down and I'll generate the presenter. So she will be the one reading the speech.
Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed parents, faculty, friends, and fellow graduates. Today,
Okay,
as I
here she
stand here,
is. Let me
clad
stop
in
it.
this- Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed parents,
Let me stop her right there. Okay, the background came with the background is black. I was not expecting that, so I will have to delete this background, and I will have to use this back. Let's see what this will be. I will have to drag her like so. Okay. Oh, let's see what she has to say.
Today, as I stand here, clad in this cap and gown, my heart swells with gratitude. It is a privilege to address you all on this momentous occasion, a day that marks the culmination of years of hard work, late nights, and countless cups of coffee. But more importantly, it is a day to express my deepest appreciation to those who have been my pillars of strength throughout this journey.
Okay, so you see here how I did it. I designed this lady. I changed the face. I went to Copilot and asked for a gratitude speech for a student who is thankful for everybody who sustained her while she was in college. And then I generated an audio with it. And I took my image and I brought it here in Canva. And I went to the App Store. And I chose DID. And if you never work with DID, they will give you free credits. And you can use the free credits. You come in DID and you upload your image. Okay. After you upload your image, you will upload the audio that you got from 11 Labs also. And then you will merge both of them. After you merge both of them, you will get this. Okay. And then you can upload it online. So I think this is a fun project that you need to try. And you can also use it in your business. You can tell your customers, I will make all your products for you, and I also make a video for you. And you can charge for the video, mix it in the bundle with everything else and charge for it. Okay, I hope this helps you, and let me know in the comment section if you're gonna try it. And as an appreciation of everything I do here, do not forget to purchase super thanks, super chats, and all these goodies. Thank you so much. Bye.